Format is a member function or a method of string, and currently it is used more frequently than the previous method in formatting the output by using the print function. Let's try to and see how it works. So it is a member function of string class. For example, format takes arguments, and those arguments are the values which are going to be replaced in the locations of the curly braces here at 0 and at 1 consecutively. For example, 5, 10. And as you see, this is not necessarily connected to print, but because of its flexibility, relative flexibility compared to the previous one, is used extensively as an alternative way to format the output by using print. So if we say, for example, here, and we say S, so S here is this. If we print S, so again we get the output, but of course without the quotation marks. So simply we can put the whole statement inside the parentheses as an argument for print, and we will get the same result. Now let's try to use the format with more sophisticated numbers. So imagine if we have the value, if we say unit, and unit is a string meters per second, and then we say print So as you see here, the speed of light is equal to 2.99 to the power e plus 8, and also we see here 6 decimal digits after the point, and directly we see the unit added. So this shows that this is more flexible than the previous way to express or to show the formatted output by print, because in this way we can change the order as we like, regardless of the order in the format arguments of the format arguments. Also, we can repeat the values without the need to repeat the arguments. For example, if we use this way, and my speed here, let's see, 2 and 0, and I can add a value, my speed, let's say 5. As you see, we didn't have to repeat the unit because it's already there. We just repeated its location and within the string. So in this way, the format took the value of unit and repeated it according to the location we showed them. So 0 refers to the first argument, 1 refers to the second argument, and 2 refers to the third argument in the format function. And it distributes them according to our design as we like. So the conversion characters we saw could be used also, but notice that we don't need to put the percentage sign. Percentage sign is not required with the format. Now we can use G instead of E, for example, if we use G capital. So G here didn't make any change because this format is the most compact. Instead, we can add a comma. So this is very helpful actually to read the large numbers. So this is simply the way we can use format